Traditionally, biologists have relied on lab experiments, in vitro models, to understand how cells behave. Now they can use AIDO Cell, GenBio AI's virtual cell world model, to simulate the same biology in silico, combining multimodal, multiscale detail with sequential experimentation in ways no microscope or wet lab assay could achieve alone. At its core, the AIDO platform is a rich, stateful simulation environment powered by the first world model of a human cell, one that predicts what happens at every level and remembers every change you make along the way, from DNA and RNA to protein interactions, structures, and localization to the whole cell, including cell-painted morphology. The model simulates cellular responses to genetic perturbations and treatments with small or large molecules. These can be layered in a sequence, providing the ability to watch the cell's full multiomic response with each step. The kind of insight that could mean computationally testing new drugs designed in cellular context before they ever reach the lab bench. AIDO can be easily adapted to new cell types and indications. Using your own data, you can build models tailored to your research questions. To simulate different cell types from shape down to genes and their protein structures, where they end up in the cell, what they interact with, and how they affect cellular responses. AIDO Cell is the first step toward our mission to make biology fully computable at every scale, from cells to tissues to entire organisms. Learn more at genbio.ai.